Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Metroid Dread. Your journey begins on the mysterious planet ZDR, where you'll explore vast, interconnected areas. Samus Aran, equipped with her iconic power suit, must uncover the planet's secrets while facing formidable foes. You'll use a variety of weapons and movement techniques to overcome challenges. Be prepared to navigate perilous EMMI zones, where stealth is your best defense, and defeat powerful bosses to unlock new abilities and advance your mission. Effective movement is crucial for exploration. Master techniques like the wall jump in space, jump to access elevated platforms and hidden areas. Always consult your map. It's an invaluable tool for tracking progress and finding unexplored sections. Keep an eye out for suspicious blocks that might conceal secret passages or valuable upgrades. The slide and dash melee are not just for combat. They also allow for swift traversal through tight spaces and across open ground, enhancing your overall mobility. Combat in Metroid Dread requires both precision and power. Always charge your beam for maximum damage against resilient enemies and bosses. Mastering the counterattack is essential. A well-timed parry will stun an enemy, leaving them vulnerable to a devastating follow-up. Throughout your journey, collect missile tanks to increase your ammunition capacity and energy tanks to boost your health, ensuring you can withstand more damage. New abilities, such as the grapple beam and the iconic screw attack, will significantly enhance your combat and exploration capabilities. EMMI zones present a unique and terrifying challenge. Your primary goal is to remain undetected. Utilize the Phantom Cloak ability to become invisible for a short period, allowing you to sneak past these relentless robots. If an EMMI spots you, quickly evade by sliding through small openings or using your speed boost. To defeat an EMMI, you must first find and destroy the central unit in that zone, which grants you the temporary Omega Cannon. Deliver a fully charged Omega Cannon shot to the EMMI's head to destroy it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.